Welcome back, everyone. If you are new here, I'm Samir, and today we are diving into a detailed step by step oil painting tutorial where we'll talk about the detailed steps to create realistic and dramatic clouds in a beachscape setup. This video is a sequel to the time lapse painting we did a few months ago. For those who requested a beginner friendly breakdown, this one's for you. Grab your brushes, paints, and let's get started. To start with, we'll establish the backdrop of the sky. Clouds always stand out more when the base color contrasts well with them. I'm mixing a bit of French ultramarine cobalt blue with titanium white to create a soft, deep sky color. You want to cover the entire canvas, leaving room for the horizon line at the bottom if you are painting a landscape. Work in horizontal strokes to keep the flow of the sky even. For the base coat of the clouds, I have basically mixed bluish gray, that is ivory black, along with titanium white and a bit of French ultramarine. And I have divided the clouds into three sections. One is the shadow, midtone, and the highlight. I have not added the highlight to the clouds yet, only the places where there is shadow, and I have added the mid-tone color to the highlights as well because we will do the highlight in the detailing step. The most important thing to remember is that clouds are soft, organic, and unpredictable. So don't stress about making them perfect. We are going to focus on building up layers and using light and shadows to create depth. As you can see, the light in the scene is hitting from the right side, so only the right part of the clouds will receive the highlights. So we'll keep that in mind when we are detailing. We'll start by mixing a slightly grayish color for the base of the cloud. I'm combining titanium white along with ivory black, French ultramarine, and burnt sienna to give that bit of warmth near the shadow part of the cloud. For the midtones, I have added some more titanium white along with burnt umber. You don't need to go too heavy with the paint, just enough to create an outline for the clouds. The key is to build them in layers, so don't worry if it looks a little rough at the first. Think of each section of the cloud as a 3D object, and we are shaping the volume of the clouds. This is where your light source comes in. The light is coming from the right side of the canvas, so we'll make the left side of the clouds darker to create contrast. Here I'm using a size 1 round brush. Notice how the shadows really make the clouds pop. This contrast between light and dark is what gives your clouds that dramatic, almost glowing like effect. At this point, I'm making just random shapes to take our painting to the next level. Let's focus on the highlights now. This is what will make your clouds shine. Mix titanium white with a little bit of yellow ochre for the warmer highlights. I want a bright, intense white for the part of the cloud that's facing the light source. So we will still add a bit of ivory black and keep it subtle until we move on to the parts which are really light. If you feel that the flow is too fast or too slow, you can select the playback speed according to how you would want to watch. I stop talking now and let you watch the whole painting process of how I have created these dramatic looking clouds.
We lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky, painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust, gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we'll witness a feel of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of cosmic light. Constellation oceans will find a way through the celestial symphony we'll sway. With every step we leave our cares behind. In this celestial ballroom, love's defined. Caught in the spell of cosmic night, with fences bloom and pale moonlight. This is all we're waiting to feel wonders. Just you and me, moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of cosmic love. Wishing galaxies will find our home. In this cosmic light, as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. I'm on my last straw, I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeling your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me, 'cause I'd start over now. Rewind, and I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break at any moment and shatter your insides. If you read my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I know. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I know. I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie.
Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe to my channel and click on this video if you would like to watch a landscape painting.